Hey guys, and welcome to this week's Fab in 5. Before we get into today's video, as you can see, my background's a little bit different today. I used to have a similar backdrop, but then I went to like the colored backdrop. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys prefer. Do you like this kind of setup? Do you like the colored backdrop? Or are you like, I really don't care. We're going to be reviewing the very new formula from Colourpop, the Fresh Kiss Glossy Lip Stain. So it's obviously going to give you that wash, stain, as they describe, just bitten look. Combines the long-lasting powers of a lip stain with the shine of a gloss. Leaves a kiss of color that lasts all day. It has antioxidant-rich ingredients. It's packed with vitamin-rich guava extract. It has lychee extract as well. It is water-based, and it is a glossy finish. It's hydrating. It has buildable coverage with a non-drying formula. This is the outer packaging of these. I really like the look of them. They are quite luxe kind of looking. I don't know, like very elegant, simple. This is the actual applicator. So it's flat, which I love when applicators are like that because you can still kind of almost line the lips with them. That's pretty. So this is like a warm nude, and this is Sugar Snap. The next shade is Ice Pop, which is a mid-tone pink. Ooh, that's pigmented. That's a beautiful shade. This is Ice Pop. The next shade is called Big Apple, which is a true red, it says at the bottom. So the next shade is called First Bite, which is a warm peach. So that right there is First Bite. Then we have the shade Twice Shy, and it is described as a warm mid-tone nude, so it's a little bit darker. Then we have the shade Roll Out, which is a bright red coral. Pretty. Look at that. Berry Ripe, which is a nice like plummy kind of purple. So that is Berry Ripe. Sorry, my swatches are not as clean as we're going down the line. So the last shade I got is Tutti Fruitti, and this is like a more burgundy shade. This down at the bottom is Tutti Fruitti. So these are the 8 shades that I got. As you can see, the formula is quite pigmented, but it also looks very, very thin. So I'm super, super pumped about that. I really like thin formulas, comfortable formulas. I think we're gonna go with Sugar Snap. Let's do it. All right, so let's go ahead and apply. Is quite pigmented considering it's not the darkest shade. It has a very like light glossy finish. It's not overly glossy, maybe like a tiny bit sticky, but not bad. It feels quite comfortable, and I think it looks really nice. It looks very thin. It feels thin. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is add a light second layer, just see how much more coverage we can get. Yeah, I definitely think it built a little bit. So I think they're buildable. I like the coverage on them. Love this shade. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is do a little wear test. Stay tuned if you wanna see how these hold up. Okay guys, so I am back and I'm here to show you guys what we're looking like at 6 hours. It's basically gone. After about 4 or 5 hours, it definitely was like pretty much almost gone. It lasts for about 1.5 to 2 hours. Then I noticed that like the gloss was gone. The kind of initial product was gone off my lips completely, but it did leave my lips stained quite significantly. I really enjoyed the way that they applied. They're very thin and very comfortable. They're not drying to the lips whatsoever. My lips don't feel dry at all. Beautiful glossy finish without being overly glossy. It left a beautiful stain, and that lasted for another like 2.5 hours, and then it was basically looking like this at that point. Keep in mind that it's not going to be like one of those like 12-hour wear type stains. Is it the best lip product I've ever tried? No, but is it a beautiful product and for the affordable price worth it? I think so. I will definitely continue to be testing these and update you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, found this video helpful. Give this video a thumbs up down below, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.